welcome back to another video. I am Cecilia, Ceci, or whatever you like to call me, as long as it's not rude, because I will cry about it because I'm a very sensitive person. If you are a returning viewer and you're like, why do you look a little bit different? Well, just recorded a different video for one of the Halloween ones, and I used fake blood, more specifically this stupid bitch. And everywhere that I put it, my skin is stained, so I literally had to compensate. On camera it doesn't look that bad, but you can kind of see right here, a little bit back here, and especially on my nose it is the worst, especially down here. Everywhere that it sat as it was burning my skin, it fucking stained. Also, wearing a Thrasher shirt, not inspiration for the makeup at all. I thought about doing red and yellow and I was like, nope, I'm gonna do pink. So this one makeup look, I will put it up right now and I will tag the user because I already completely forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, so that's why I just look a little bit funky because I have way more base makeup on than I usually would, and I'm compensating with a lot of moisturizer. Skin does look good. I do have a little bit of a glow, but I'm just very pissed because I was like, oh, it won't stain, and I washed my face 3 times today. And my skin is still fucking stained, and I'm so mad because I literally have a date with my friend. We're gonna go to dinner and we're gonna see a comedy show, and she's gonna look at me and she's gonna be like, what did you do? And I'm gonna be like, I stained my fucking skin with fake blood. Not even before fucking, not even during Halloween, literally before Halloween. Also, content warning, mesophobia, because I have a little charcuterie board, as the kids say, that I'm gonna be munching on because I'm hungry, but we're gonna get dinner in a little bit, so I have to wait. Well, I don't have to wait, but I already had breakfast before I started recording, so I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be a brave little girl and wait for my treat. I cannot tell you how bad these TikTok sounds just have been destroying my brain. The berries and cream one, I think the film from YouTube, that one has already kind of been in my brain. But beat that bitch from the back. Wait, what is that? What is that? What it is? Something like that. But that one, oh no, from the back. Oh, that one, that mix that DJ did, the my partner from the back, and then I Missed the Rage, so fucking good. She put her whole pussy in that mix, and honestly, all 3 of those songs on their own, immaculate, amazing, great. I love them. So many of those songs stick to my brain. That's the reason why, like, I really try not to be on TikTok, just because anything mildly funny or that I love the videos or like everything is a hit. Also, is the lighting gonna be weird? Yeah, it's getting towards the end of the afternoon, and I don't want to turn on the light. Honestly, the lighting isn't that bad, so if it does get a little bit dark and it does go in and out a little bit, I will turn on the lamp, but I don't want to. So bear with me while we do our makeup kind of in the dark, not really. If I turned and probably faced the window where the light is peeking through, maybe, but the last time I did this, and it was like, okay, now it's getting a little darker, actually. The lighting actually didn't look that bad at all. I really don't want to turn on the light. Okay, so bear with me. If this doesn't come out good, and the lighting keeps getting worse, then I will turn on the lamp halfway through. But I hate the lamp because it makes me look ugly, and I love natural lighting. I am a fan of her. Oh my god, you can't even get into me. Okay, I have to turn on the light. Give me a second. Okay, the lamp's on. I hope you're happy, because I'm not. I'm fucking mad. Because literally, I look okay, but something about it just kind of downgrades the quality of the whole video, because the fucking phone has to make up. And also now you can see how worse my skin looks, which is great. But it really just like downgrades the whole video, I feel like. Because one time I edited one that I had to turn on the lamp for, and it literally wasn't even at like 720. It was running at fucking like 420 or like through 480, whatever it's called. Also, it is so fucking hard to see. I'm literally gonna have to use my fucking stupid palette because I cannot see to save my life. Oh fuck, you can't see either. We're struggling, sisters. We're sister struggling. But yeah, the inspo for this is just kind of a pink blended, kind of serving fairy vibes, but not really. Also, something about pink just makes my brain go insane. Like, I don't really have a lot of pink clothing, but I legitimately thought I said my eyelids, but I didn't. Sorry. I'm gonna have to set them real quick. But yeah, something about pink eyeshadow just makes my brain go crazy. And I love it. I am obsessed. And that's okay. Also, you get to see how literally deranged I look whenever I do my eyeshadow versus by myself. Because I swear I do the weirdest faces just naturally. For no reason. For no other reason than it's like it's convenient to me. I don't know why. I feel like I'm so far away from you. I literally feel like I'm 10 years, 10 million miles. Oh my god, my face looks so bad. I look so ugly. I hate. But if I turn off the light, you're not gonna be able to see my face. So now we're kind of just gonna do the little graphic liner moment, and then maybe like I'll put a little video at the end of me being outside and the makeup actually looking good, because I swear I feel like I'm gaslighting myself and I look ugly, and I don't. I'm sexy. Going in with the hot pink. I think there also might still be eyeshadow from something else. Not eyeshadow. What is it called? There's barely. Why is that so low? I thought I did it higher. Oh, now the sun's coming back. Cool, great. I wasn't gonna wait for you. But yeah, I'm not gonna turn off the lamp. I'm sorry, bestie. I thought I put it higher than my crease, but I literally landed right in my crease. Now you can see it. You can see her. Now pray for me. Say an affirmation. I'm gonna be able to get this bitch even, because I swear I literally can't be symmetrical to save my life. It makes me so mad too, because all of my favorite fucking influencers and content creators, all of their work is symmetrical and it looks so beautiful. But I can't do that because I'm dyslexic and I'm not talented enough. Don't ask me why it looks the way that it looks, but I'm kind of living. Yes, I have leftover mascara on my lashes and on my lower lash line. Just girl boss things. Hashtag slay. Hashtag boots the house down, Houston, I'm deceased. That fucking clip of with the stupid Fruity Pebble macaroons fucking kills me every time. Because one, why would he say that? No, no, like, I don't fucking know. I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna do black eyeliner. And then we're gonna put more mascara on. And then we'll be done. And then I'll go outside and look prettier than I do with this stupid fucking lighting. Also, I hate doing liner in this mirror because I feel like I can't. Why is my... I know why. I forgot to set my lids and like all of this shadow just disappeared. The other day I found I lost my little mega liner. It was fucking, I took a product photo because I did a review on my blog about it, and I was like, oh great, and I'll have to buy another one because I lost it. I didn't lose it. It was right next to my fiance's laptop because I took a little product photo. I got two different shapes going on. Give me a second, I'll be right back. I'm struggling to see right now. This is more or less the finished look. Trying not to dox myself. It honestly doesn't look that bad, but I don't know. I don't film outside ever. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.